When Michael was 5 years old, his mother took him to a nearby school for admission. The teacher asked, "What does your mother call you at home, child?" "Michael, don't come," the confident reply.
Yes, exactly. So see how funny this box is. So once there was student Michael. Michael एक child था 5 years old. So his mother took him to nearby school for admission. तो जब उसको admission पे लेके गए, तो the principal or maybe the teacher asked him that what is your name. So one reply came, the very confident reply that my name is Michael Don't. ठीक है? तो अब उसकी मदर उसको इतना घर पे ये कहते थे, माइकल डोंट गो देयर, माइकल डोंट ईट दिस थिंग, माइकल डोंट वेयर सॉक्स लाइक दिस. तो उसको लगना शुरू हो गया दैट हिज नेम इज नॉट माइकल, एक्चुअली हिज नेम इज माइकल डोंट. ठीक है? सो आई थिंक दिस इज वेरी फनी वन. सो ही एक्चुअली बिलीव्ड दैट ही वाज अ लिटिल किड एंड ही बिलीव्ड दैट कि उसका नेम माइकल नहीं है, क्या है उसका नेम? माइकल डोंट. ठीक है? उसकी मदर ने उसको इतना डोंट बोला दैट ही यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट his name is Michael Don't. ठीक है? Now, Karthik, I think you were raising hand. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. मैम ये इसका पेज नंबर एक मिनट बता दो कौन सा है?
बेटा पेज नंबर 69.
Okay, ma'am.
So page number 69, everyone. Now, I would ask Ipsa, please read the note, beta, that is given just below the yellow box. One note.
Okay, ma'am. To Shivi is to nag, to continuously argue someone to do something, often in an annoying way, according to the dictionary.
Okay. Now they have tell us the meaning of this word Shivi. Shivi means to nag. So everyone please underline the word nag and write down the meaning. Continuously complaining. Sarang, आपको भी क्या underline this word nag and write down continuously complaining. So Shivi means to complain continuously. Okay? Urge means to force someone. Urge means to force someone. Force someone means someone doesn't like to do something but you are forcing them to do that. जैसे हमारे elders करते हैं, आपको लग रहा होगा. If they say don't use phone, you feel that they are forcing you something. वो आप पे force कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So urge means to force in a very annoying way. Annoying होता है irritating way. So children feel very irritated when their parents tell them not to do anything. So annoying means irritating. Annoying, irritating. So I can ask you this question in exam also. What is the meaning of Shivi? So Shivi means to complain continuously and to force someone to do something, and that is very irritating. Okay? ये सबको क्या करती है चीज? Irritate. Fine. So what is Shivi? Again, last time I'm going to explain. Shivi means to complain continuously and to force someone to do something in a very irritating manner. ठीक है? Irritating manner. So the poet is saying that जो हमारे grown ups हैं, grown ups हमारे elders, ठीक है? He doesn't like them. ठीक है? वो कहता है ये कभी हमें कुछ कहते हैं, कभी कुछ कहते हैं, so I don't like them. ठीक है? Now the first stanza. Akshara will read the first stanza. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Grown-ups say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose.
Yes, now grown-ups are the people which are elder to us. Okay, so grown-ups are the people who are elder to us. Now the first complaint अब क्या है poet की? Poet is a little child. ठीक है? Now he is complaining that grown-ups जो elders हैं वो हमें कैसी चीजें कहते हैं? First is speak up. If we are sitting quiet, then they would ask us to speak up. जैसे आप लोग बैठे हो, what your teachers will tell you? They will tell you speak up. ठीक है? You have to participate. They will tell you to speak up. Don't talk with your mouth full. If you are eating something and you are talking, they will tell you not to speak something when your mouth is full. कभी वो कहते हैं बात करो, कभी वो कहते हैं ना करो, ठीक है. द पोएट इज टू मच worried, ठीक है, and he is too much irritated. Don't stare. Stare means to look continuously. अब आप किसी टीचर को या अपने एल्डर को ऐसे गुस्से से स्टेयर करो, देन व्हाट वुड दे से? डोंट स्टेयर, मेरे को ऐसे मत देखो, दे वुड से, ठीक है. सो राइट डाउन द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टेयर. लुक कंटिन्यूसली. स्टेयर मीन्स टू लुक कंटिन्यूसली. To look continuously. To look continuously. Then don't point. And suppose you are sitting in the car, okay? और आपके मदर वैसे कह रहे हो देखो कितनी अच्छी कार जा रही है, और आप उसकी तरफ पॉइंट आउट करके कहो अच्छा वो वाली, एंड दे वुड डेफिनेटली से डोंट पॉइंट आउट. ऐसे इशारा नहीं करते किसी की तरफ, ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज डोंट स्पीक अप. सेकंड थिंग इज डोंट टॉक विद योर माउथ फुल. Third is don't stare, don't point, and don't pick your nose. This is, I think, genuine. Fifth one, अगर आप अपना nose pick कर रहे हो, nose picking की आपको I think meaning पता होगा सबको. nose pick क्या होता है? nose pick क्या होता है by the way? Stop picking up your nose. बहुत बार बोला होगा आपके पेरेंट्स ने. देवांग क्या होता है बेटा?
एक सेकंड.
Meet is ready to speak.
To put the hand in your nose, maybe.
मैम नोज चढ़ाना.
No, beta, nose चढ़ाना no. Devang is right. To put your finger in your nose to clean it. Okay, that is pick up your nose. So whenever you do this thing, your parents would say, don't pick up your nose like this. यहाँ पे सबके सामने मत बैठ के ये चीज करो. Okay. So this is the first stanza. I hope it's clear. Now the second stanza. Jotin, come here and read it quickly. जल्दी से आ जाओ.
Sit up. Say please. Less noise. Shut the door behind you. Do not drag your feet. Haven't you got any hanky? Take your hands out of your pockets.
Take your hands out of your pockets. ये तो बहुत बार आपको असेंबली में भी बोला जाता है, I think so. And when you just walk in the corridor, your teachers would definitely say कि अपनी pocket से हाथ निकालो, है ना? So second stanza is sit up. So if you are standing, they would ask you to sit down, and if you are just sitting quietly, they would ask you to say please. वो कहेंगे कि हर बात के बाद आप please कहो. Please word should be there. If you are saying that give me glass of water, they will say कि ये क्या बोलने का तरीका है? Just say please. Okay, so they would ask you to say please. Then less noise. This is, I think, pet dialogue of all teachers, that less noise is required. Then shut the door behind you. If you are just coming here and you forget to just close the door, they would just shout at you and they would say shut the door behind you. Don't drag your feet. ये किसके साथ होता है घर पे? You just drag your feet. आवाज करते हो आप feet की. And your parents say that, okay, yes, exactly. So this is my habit also. So whenever you drag your feet, your parents would definitely say this is so irritating. You don't know how to walk. So when we drag क्या होता है? ऐसे आवाज करनी, ठीक है? Pull करना अपने feet को. So they would say don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? So by chance, if you are just wiping your sweat with your hand, they would definitely say, haven't you got a hanky? घर में hanky खत्म हो गए हैं, ठीक है? They would ask you. So next is take your hands out of your pockets. That I have already, I think, explained. So this was the second stanza. I hope it's clear. अगर आपको drag का meaning लिखना है तो आप pull लिख सकते हो, pull, ठीक है? But no need, I think so. So drag, it's a common word, so no need to write the meaning. Now the third stanza. Third stanza, Jasmeet will read. Yes, Jasmeet.
Yes, ma'am. Pull your socks up. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you're funny. Take your elbow off the table.
Okay. So I think this is related to school also. So if you come to school and you are not wearing your socks properly, definitely your teachers will say that pull your socks up. Okay? They would say that You need to pull your socks up, okay? It doesn't look nice, so you people are supposed to pull up your socks. Next is stand up straight. Suppose if you are walking like just like this, if you are standing like this, they would ask you to stand straight. Okay? They would definitely ask you to walk straight also to look more active. Okay? थोड़ा सा active लगने के लिए. Next is say thank you. So first word was please. Now second is thank you. They would ask you to say thank you again and again. Okay? Next is don't interrupt. Now write down the meaning of interrupt, disturb. So when our parents and elder ones are talking, they would definitely say you don't disturb in between. So interrupt means disturb. Interrupt means disturb. No one thinks you are funny, and in case you are trying to just just give a joke, and they would say that no, it's not funny, don't think that you are funny. Okay, so this is the line told spoken by elders. Take your elbows off the table. So on your dining table, चलो घर पे तो नहीं होता, यहाँ पे स्पेशली अगर आप ऐसे बैठे हो तो they would say that just take your elbows, अच्छे से बैठो straight, जैसे अब मैं आपको कह रही हूँ. Rajaryan, straight, yes. So next is can't you make your own mind up? अब जो last two lines है ना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब सी lines है, strange lines है. अब इतना कुछ कह के that socks properly पहनो, don't do this or that. अब last पे आके क्या कह रहे हैं? I think Karthik gave us this answer that can't you make up your own mind? ठीक है, अपने decisions खुद लो. You are grown up. You have to take care of yourself. Now the whole life they just say us so many things और end पे आके जब हमें उनकी जरूरत होती है then they say that you are grown up now, अपने decisions खुद लो, हमें नहीं पता. ठीक है? So daily they would say you so many things, but at the end when you need them they would say that take your decisions yourself, we don't know. ठीक है? अपना काम खुद complete करो, हमें नहीं पता. ठीक है? So this is the ending. So if you have any doubt, please ask me, then I will ask you questions. Any doubt, please ask me. And those who have raised their hand for reading, please lower your hand so that I can ask you the doubts. If you have doubt, then only please raise hand. Yes, other offline students, no doubt. Everything is clear. I will ask you meanings also, so get ready, please. Clear everything? So I think Devang is having doubt. Yes, Devang.
No, ma'am, I forgot to lower the hand.
Okay, fine. So no doubt at all. Now please close your books. I will ask you some questions. Then we'll discuss the back exercise. Okay. Who will explain the first stanza? Okay, read the first stanza quickly and explain in your own words. Read the first stanza, explain in your own words. मुझे poem के lines नहीं चाहिए, मुझे आपके words चाहिए, ठीक है? So think about it, then raise your hand. Explain the first stanza in your own words. Okay, Karthik is raising hand. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the first stanza, the poet is saying that when we sit quiet, then our elders say that speak up, don't sit quiet. And then our elders say that when our mouth is full of food, then they say that don't talk.
Exactly. And then
And ma'am,
when we look at
when
them,
we stare, look at them, then they say that don't stare. And ma'am, when our elders show something to us, and when we point them, then they told us don't point this thing.
yes. And then
Ma'am, at the last they say that don't pick your nose as it is a bad habit.
yes, don't pick up your nose. This is a bad, pick your nose. This is the bad habit. You should do it, in private or not publicly. Okay, fine. Well done. So now the next question is, all the student offline will tell me the meaning of the word Shivi. Explain the meaning of this word Shivi. Mike, just close your books and explain the meaning of Shivi. I'm starting with Hargun. Yes, Bachche. Nag means? Okay. So to shivi means to complain continuously and to force someone to do something that is very irritating. Okay. Jotin. Shivi. Okay, fine. Yes, correct. So from this side, beta, what is shivi? Chitesh will tell us. Chitesh, are you there? Chitesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, what is shivi?
Ma'am, I think complaining continuously.
Yes, to complain continuously in a very irritating manner. Okay. So the next question is, read the second stanza quickly, then explain in your own words. इसका मीनिंग बेटा? सिटअप के बेटा दो मीनिंग्स हो सकते हैं, एक तो बैठ जाओ और सिटअप एक काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज होती है सिटअप्स करने. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है. Yes, please, second stanza, explain in your own words. For 1 minute, I'm just lowering your hands. You can just raise it again if you are ready. Yes, Adgun, please explain second stanza. Then from offline students, one student will explain.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
When we are standing, our elders would say sit up, and when we
sit
say
down hota hai, sit up is the kind of exercise. Yes, exactly. So sit up is a kind of exercise here. Okay. Yes, Adgun.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. And when we say something without please, they will always say us to say please. And when we shout at something, they will say less noise. And when we are walking through something and we left the door open behind, they will say shut the door behind you. And when we drag our feet, they always say don't drag your feet as it is a bad habit. And if we are removing our sweat from our face, and they will say haven't you got a hanky. And if we are putting our hands in the pocket, they will always say take your hands out of your pocket.
Exactly. Well done. So she has
Thank
explained
you.
each and everything, I think, in the same way, same examples deke. Yes, exactly, beta. Well done. So Jotin, please, second paragraph, if you are ready. Then rest of the students read the third stanza and explain the third one, please. Exactly. Yes, yes. Every time we have to shut the door whenever we enter somewhere, okay? And the last one is? Exactly. And take your hands out of the pockets. Yes. Excellent. Well done. Now the third stanza, who's ready? Yes, Radharan, I'll give you turn beta after one online student. Where is? Okay. Savya, please speak up. Savya.
Yes, ma'am. When we haven't wear the socks properly, they say that pull your socks up. When we are standing in a lazy manner, they tell us that stand straight. When we
We
give
need
you
to
a
say
glass of
thank you
water.
whenever someone does a favor for us. Okay. And then
you don't need to interrupt when the elders are speaking. No one don't make jokes. No one thinks you are funny. When don't keep your elbows on the table.
okay, well done. Yes, exactly. So Raj Aryan, yes बेटा, बेटा आप यहाँ आ जाओ. I'm not able to hear you properly today. Yes, please. यहाँ के बोल. हाँ जी. इंटरप्ट क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इंटरप्ट? डिस्टर्ब. ओके. Exactly. Yes. 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 In the end, when we need their help, they always say that take your decisions yourself and help yourself. Okay. Well done. Now the question answers, beta. Who will give me the answer number 1? First part. The question is, when is a grown up likely to say this? Don't talk with your mouth full. ये कब कहते हैं? When? Exactly. When we are eating food, they generally say this thing. Okay. So please, you can quickly write down the answer. And you can always add your lines. Okay. Because our elders know that talking with while क्या कहते हैं, eating is not good for us. ठीक है. And this can lead to choking. ठीक है. Choke कर जाते हैं बेटा. Windpipe में कई बार food चल जाता है. So there are elders and they know that talking while eating is not good for us. It's harmful. Sometimes it can lead to choking. So always please add some lines. सिर्फ इतना ही मत लिखना when we are eating then they say this thing. No. You are in 7th standard. You are supposed to explain each and every line. ठीक है. हर चीज को आप अपनी language में explain करोगे. So now just एक hint लिख दो. Eating plus उसके bad effects. ठीक है. Talking के. When you eat something, they don't let us talk because they know that it's very harmful for us. It can lead to choking or anything. Second one, Sarang. When are you likely to be told this? Say thank you. कब कहते हैं thank you बोलने को? Okay, when we take something from someone, okay, or when someone helps you, और क्या हो सकता है? Yes, Jyoti. Okay, when someone yes gives us present, or yes, so many examples are there. You can cover 2-3 examples. They always say they always tell us to say thank you when someone helps us, someone wishes us something, ठीक है, like birthday wish, ठीक है, and we get something from someone. When we take something from someone. Parth, would you like to add something? Parth, your voice is not audible. Parthik, Savya, Adgun, anyone can unmute and speak up if you want to speak something extra.
Ma'am, I want to speak third answer.
Yes, please, beta. Third answer?
Yes, ma'am.
First
Third
question, third part, or third question?
Yes. Ma'am, first question, third part.
Okay, I start with you, Karthik, tomorrow. Okay, now it's recess time. So tomorrow.
Excuse me, ma'am. In second answer, can we like this? Can we add this like it leads to a bad impression and it leads to bad reputation in the society.
Exactly. Yes, बिल्कुल बेटा आप कर सकते हो add. Very nice. So tomorrow we'll start with these questions. Try to find the answers. Then tomorrow we are going to discuss. Okay. Bye, beta.